Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the Barbie frap from Starbucks and I'm going to be showing you other recipes. This other recipe is the Barbie pasta. So the first thing we do is we boil the pasta for a few minutes and we add salt, and then the ingredients are garlic, milk, and beets. And then we're gonna blend it together and make it a sauce. Now we're going to place the sauce in a pan and heat it for a few minutes, and then we're going to add the pasta. Now we're putting the pasta with the sauce and we leave it there for a few minutes until everything is together. So this is the final product and I rate it a 9 out of 10. It was pretty good. Now we're going to be making the popcorn, and all you need is butter, sugar, vanilla, and pink food coloring, and then you heat it up in the stove for a few minutes until it becomes a sauce. This is how the sauce should look, and it should look pink. Now we're going to add it in the popcorn. Now we're adding the sauce in the popcorn and then we mix it very well. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And this is the popcorn and I rate it a 9 out of 10.